Have you got a 2023 or newer Ford Super Duty? Is it already tuned, lifted, and got all kinds of other mods installed? Whether it's stock or whether it's well on its way to a complete build, Morimoto has a sick new set of taillights just for you. We've got a couple of options as far as the styling of the lens goes. We've got both a smoked and a red version, which is a bit more obvious to see when the lights are not illuminated, with the smoked on the left and the red on the right. We've got a fit that's just like OE, but they don't look like any other options on the market today. It's not just about the looks though. We've added a much brighter than stock reverse light, and each light has a plug-and-play pigtail to add our optional Morimoto backup light boost bar for 2,700 lumens of extra reverse light punch. These lights are truly plug-and-play, and they're even going to retain the bliss functionality. So if your truck had the blind spot monitoring function from the factory, these are going to work exactly the same as they did before. Even with all these features, Morimoto was able to keep DOT compliance so you can cruise the streets legally with these taillights. These lights for your 2023 and up Super Duties are engineered, designed, and tested here in the USA, and even the 5-year warranty is supported by our customer service team here in Atlanta, Georgia. And now we're going to install them. Remove the two 8mm bolts that secure the taillight to the vehicle. With the hardware removed, pull the taillight towards yourself, away from the truck. Disconnect the 3 plugs from the back of the housing and set the housing aside. If your truck is equipped with the Bliss blind spot radars in the taillights, place the factory taillight face down on a soft surface to prevent scratching of the lens. Remove the 4 T20 Torx screws that secure the radar bracket to the assembly. Pull the radar bracket out and disconnect the white 2-pin reverse connector. Slide the radar module out of the bracket. Disconnect the radar module from the sub-harness on the radar bracket. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that secure the radar bracket to the taillight assembly. Connect the radar module to the sub-harness on the XB taillight radar bracket. Install the radar module into the bracket in the same orientation it was on the stock taillight. Make sure that the radar module is fully clipped into the position and is centered on the bracket. Reinstall the bracket into the taillight. Using the provided alcohol wipes, clean the sheet metal behind the taillight in the taillight cavity. Remove the backing from the steel magnet mount plates and adhere them to the sheet metal. Attach 2 of the included resistors to the mounting plates. Use the resistor harness to connect one of the resistors to one of the factory 3-pin parking brake light connectors. Connect the taillight harness to the reverse and bliss connector and the remaining brake and parking connectors. Repeat this on the other side. If you're going to be installing the optional backup light boost bar that's sold separately, remove the 2 bolts that secure the license plate to the rear bumper. Install the boost bar onto the license plate and reinstall the license plate hardware. Route the wire up over the rear bumper. Route the wire to the passenger side of the truck and up into the taillight cavity. Connect the boost bar wire to the matching connector on the taillight harness. Connect the taillight to the taillight harness and fit the light into the cavity. Make sure the studs on the side of the light clip into place. Reinstall the 2 factory 8mm bolts that secure the tail light to the vehicle and repeat these steps on the other side of the truck. Now get in your vehicle and confirm that all functions are working. So you've heard all the reasons why you want to get this set of lights for your truck today, so head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours.